Okay, hi, I'm Justin Arabian, and I have finished all of level 3, and I'm on to the screencast video to show you basically everything that I did to hack the news article and to describe some of my most important choices for revision and production. So to begin, I will probably read off of my screencast transcript and then go to any other link to try to help show you what exactly I did. Okay, so to begin, the fake news article that I chose was originally about how vitamin D was better than the flu and preventing one from contracting the flu virus. Everything in the original piece of writing consisted of fake news information, so I decided to make the article factual by writing about the truth about the flu vaccination, defending its validity, and preventing the flu. To do so, I wanted to give the reader enough background information about influenza itself so they can start to form an educated opinion, and I ended the piece with hard facts defending the vaccination. I organized my news article in a question-answer problem-solution way so it would keep the overall tone of the article educated and factually based. This also helped me defend my own credibility throughout the article, as I did not stray off into my own opinions or biases, but instead sticking right to the facts. So I want to show you how I organized my article. I recopy and pasted everything I did onto a Google Docs because my original web hack on the website was being very faulty, very glitchy, but I'll still include that link into my final folder when I hand in the project so you can see it. But I started off the article with the frequent misconceptions about the flu and the flu shot to kind of give everyone a background information about what people doubt about the vaccination, and then I wanted to define what exactly the flu or influenza is, how one can contract it, and then I went in to detail about the truths of the vaccination, and then other previous prevention methods. So I included the how to avoid the flu on campus in order to give, so since the article would be published on the Good 5 Cent Cigar, which is the University of Rhode Island's news webpage. The audience would be predominantly college students. Therefore, I wanted to add some additional information so that they could relate to the piece a little bit more, which is why I included this section about how to avoid the flu on campus. And I was hoping this wouldn't only keep their interest, but it would also raise awareness about how college students really can keep themselves healthy on a day-to-day basis, since they don't really have any guidance by their parents anymore telling them how to stay healthy. It's more independent and on their own. So, to end everything off, the bigger picture of this entire project was to learn new ways to detect fake news and the importance of gathering true information, especially from the internet. With today's growing society and technological advancements, the dependence on the internet and web news sources is growing by the day. With this accessibility to being able to make any kind of website that one wishes is also becoming much easier, which could be disastrous. With this kind of freedom, anyone can publish almost anything they want on the internet and claim it's true. So this imposes a great threat on the overall democracy of the country, because in order for the democracy to be successful, the people of the country need to be well informed about what goes on politically, economically, and socially so that they can vote for representatives in upcoming elections based on factual knowledge about what actually goes on. But with the growing popularity of fake news, it's becoming harder for people to collect factual information about what goes on in the United States, causing people to claim false accusations and make false opinions of others, whether they are the representatives of the country or of their state. So if the people in the country are not properly informed, the democracy will not run smoothly, and there will be even more controversies than already goes on in the country, which is definitely not needed. This could definitely be detrimental to the future of America, and it's vital for something to be done to stop the spread of fake news. So I hope you enjoyed hearing about the background of my fake news hack. Okay, thank you.